Okay, microplastics. You should use these. Brain fart. Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa, and today we're talking about something super important. You might be thinking, what is PVA microplastics? Don't worry, I'll explain it all and share how Nellie's products are helping to solve this problem. Spoiler alert, it's all about keeping our planet clean while doing your laundry. Okay, so PVA stands for polyvinyl alcohol. It's a type of plastic used in things like laundry pods and strips. You know those little pods you throw in your washing machine and dishwasher? Yep, these are made from PVA. My mom didn't know about this until I told her about it. Here's the thing, PVA is supposed to dissolve in water, but it doesn't really disappear. It breaks down into tiny pieces that are too small to see. And guess what? Those tiny pieces turn into microplastics. Microplastics are super tiny bits of plastic. They're smaller than a grain of rice and can end up pretty much everywhere, in the ocean, in rivers, and even in the water we drink. Yikes! Here's why it's a big deal. Number 1, fish and other creatures can eat microplastics by accident. That's not good for them, or for us if we eat seafood. Number 2, microplastics pollute our water and soil, which makes it harder for plants and animals to live. And 3, they're almost impossible to get rid of. PVA and microplastics are like glitter, and once they're out, they're everywhere, and it's super hard to clean up. If you learned something new today, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Bye for now, and don't forget to stay clean and green with Nellies. These don't have microplastics.